Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make VFX in Roblox Studio. For this example we're going to be using the base plate, and then right here at the right corner you have workspace. We're going to click on it and click on the plus icon there and search for particles. And when we click on it you can see right here particle emitter, click on it, and right here you can make some changes to the appearance of your particle emitter. For example, the color is currently white, we can click on it and change the color. And as we change the color, you can see the difference. So we can make it this way and select this option. Click on OK. And then with other settings, you can make the appearance change a little bit. For example, we have the size and it's currently at 1. If we change it to 3 and enter, you can see the difference. It looks more like a pillar of smoke coming from below. Then you also have squash. Click on it, make it 2, enter, and it looks smoother. And lastly, if you want to change anything regarding the emission of this flame, you can come over here and see emission direction, and we could change it to left, right? You can see the difference. We're going to change it to bottom. You can see how it looks like. And if we change it to back, you can also see how it looks like, right? So this is a VFX example I'd like to show you in this video. And if you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.